Hi everyone, welcome back. Today you're going to learn 25 useful English words through a fun short story called The Little Scientist. This story is perfect for a 2 to B 1 level learners. Let's get started. Meet Maya. She is an 11-year-old girl who is curious about the world around her. She lives in a small town with her mother, and she loves visiting the library. One day, her teacher, Mr. Chen, announces a science fair, and Maya wants to join. A big announcement. Maya was a curious girl who loved asking questions about the world. Her teacher announced an exciting science fair at school. Maya wanted to join, but she felt nervous about failing. "I don't want to make a mistake," she told her mother. Mom smiled and said, "Mistakes help you improve, Maya." A visit to the library. At the library, Maya asked Mr. Chen for help with an idea. He loved to encourage curious students like her. "Imagine a project about something you love," he said. Maya chose plants. She wanted to discover if music helps them grow. She felt determined to practice every single day. Hard work begins. Growing the plants became a real challenge for Maya. She watered, measured, and wrote notes every afternoon. Some days she felt completely exhausted after school. Mr. Chen stayed patient and helped her focus on the next small step. The table falls down. 3 days before the fair, disaster struck. Her plant table fell over. "I don't have enough talent for science," Maya said sadly. Mr. Chen knelt beside her. "Real scientists need courage. Brilliant ideas often follow failure." It was a hard struggle, but Maya decided to start again. A proud ending. On fair day, Maya felt confident as she explained her project. She won first prize and felt proud and relieved. Mr. Chen's kindness continues to inspire her, and she felt grateful for her mother's support. Her classmates gathered to celebrate with her. Maya learned that being successful means trying again, and that is how you achieve your goals. Vocabulary review. Words 1 to 13. Now let's review the words from our story. Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Nervous, feeling worried or afraid. Mistake, an action that is wrong. Improve, to get better at something. Encourage, to give someone confidence to try. Imagine, to form a picture in your mind. Discover, to find something new. Determined, having a strong wish to succeed. Practice, to repeat something to get better. Challenge, something hard that tests your skill. Exhausted, very, very tired. Patient, able to wait calmly. Focus, to give full attention to something. Vocabulary review. Words 14 to 25. Talent, a natural skill. Brilliant, very smart or excellent. Courage, bravery to face something hard. Struggle, to try hard at something difficult. Confident, feeling sure about yourself. Proud, feeling happy about an achievement. Relieved, feeling less worried after stress. Inspire, to make someone want to do something good. Grateful, feeling thankful. Celebrate, to enjoy a happy event. Successful, having achieved a goal. Achieve, to succeed in doing something. 10. Quick quiz. Let's test what you learned. Question 1. What does curious mean? Pause and guess. The answer is B, wanting to know something. Question 2. Which word means very tired? The answer is A, exhausted. Question 3. She was blank to win the race. The answer is B, determined. Question 4. What is a synonym for achieve? The answer is B, accomplish. Question 5. What does courage mean? The answer is B, bravery. Never stop trying. Being successful does not mean never failing. It means having the courage to stand up again after a struggle. When you achieve something after working hard, it feels even better. Remember, say each of these 25 words out loud. and try using them in your own sentences this week. Thanks for learning with Maya's story. See you in the next video.